Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and informative product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the Organic Ear Oil for Earache Irritation by Marie Originals. If you're looking for the best decongestant for ears, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's dive right into the details of this natural ear oil. The Marie Originals Organic Ear Oil is designed to provide relief from earaches, pressure, and clogged ears while promoting a healthy ear environment. What sets this ear oil apart is its all-natural composition. It's made from earth-derived ingredients, including mullein, calendula, garlic, and St. John's wort. These ingredients work in harmony to soothe discomfort, reduce sensitivity, and support overall ear health. Now, let's talk about the key benefits of using this product. This organic ear oil can be used daily to help guard against ear infections, making it an excellent choice for those prone to such issues. Whether it's due to seasonal allergies or other factors, this oil provides fast relief from earaches. Marie Originals takes pride in offering a natural remedy that is gentle on your ears while being effective. The oil contains herbs that support immunity, ensuring your ears receive the care they need. Made in the United States, this product meets the highest quality standards in the industry. Now, it's important to note that some users have mentioned that the product has a strong garlic smell. So, if you're sensitive to scents, keep that in mind. As for the texture, it's an oil-based solution, so it's designed to provide moisture to dry ears. In terms of value for money, the Marie Originals Organic Ear Oil is competitively priced, especially considering its natural and organic composition. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable earache remedy and want to ensure your ears are in good health, the Marie Originals Organic Ear Oil is an excellent choice. It's natural, effective, and backed by positive user reviews. That's it for today's product review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. And ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next review.